night sounds. It's the middle of the night and everything is quiet. Or is it? Listen carefully. What's making a noise? Everyone in the town is fast asleep, but not everyone outside. Who can you hear? Inside the peaceful houses, you can hear the rain pitter-pattering on the windows. And the soft purring of cats who are dreaming of mice. Outside the town, the night train rumbles past, taking sleepy people home to their beds. And the startled fox barks at the train as it flashes by. The night sky is full of fluttering, squeaking bats. And whistling wind that whips the leaves of trees, while mice are snuggled in their nests. And then, ever so slowly, the sun rises again. The early morning bus trundles down the roads. And all the birds wake up and sing to welcome the start of a brand new day.